What are the benefits of a VA refinance? One of my favorite topics, folks. Let's get after it. Hey, VA Nation, Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans, powered by Stride Bank. Contact us here. It's 855-956-4040, or check us out online at nationalvaloans.com. Of course, you're here on YouTube right now and you're seeing us, so hit that subscribe button, and that way you can stay up to date with all the current information for VA home loans. But topic at hand, let's talk about it. What are the benefits of a VA refinance? They are vast, but they are also very simple. So there's a couple of different reasons to refinance your VA home loan, and we're talking about VA to VA. So there are a couple different types of VA refinances. So let's talk about the first one, which is the traditional VA cash out home loan. So the benefits on a VA cash out home loan are, number one, obviously, to access equity in your current home. Over the last few years, I'm sure you've built up, especially if you own your home for the last 5, 6, 7 years, you've built up quite a little bit of equity in there. And this loan, the VA cash out loan, gives you the ability to pull cash out or pull equity out to use for really whatever you need, whether it be consolidate debt, set money aside for savings, pay off some different installment loans that you may have, money for college for kids, vacation, or to do a lot of things around the house. I know that's one thing that a lot of people are, you think about how things work right now, and a lot of people are looking, well, we need to upgrade houses or we want to move, and boy, we don't want to. There's just nothing out there on the market, and prices are so high, and we're in such a great market or in a great position on our current home. We really don't want to move if we don't have to. Well, that's where taking and tapping into a little bit of that equity utilizing the VA cash out loan can come into play. You can tap into that equity, do upgrades to your home if you want to update the kitchen, the bathrooms, the floor, the paint, the carpet. I mean, tons of different things. Add a deck. I know at least here in Missouri right now, we're suffering through a long, cold winter, and I'm watching it snow as we speak, and I am ready for summer. So having a deck and getting some outdoor use out of it is a great way to use some of the equity in your house, because not only are you using some of that equity, but you're also adding value to your property. Now let's talk about a little bit of the debt consolidation that you can do. Of course, you can do debt consolidation utilizing this equity. You can pay off any high credit card balances, auto loans, different installment loans. I know there's a lot of different ones out there. The fact of the matter is what we need to do is you need to give us a call, 855-956-4040. Talk to one of our VA specialists here so they can kind of go through the scenario with you to see what it looks like if you were to use some of that equity to pay off some of that debt. There's possibilities where you could pay off that debt, save yourself a lot of money on a monthly basis, apply some of that money back towards your home loan every month, and pay it off 8, 10, 12, 15 years sooner than you would on a regular currently. There's a lot of different ways to make this work and to make it work for you. And that's the most important thing, is to make that equity work for you. So just to kind of go back at it or to kind of review, I guess, the different advantages or benefits. Number one is going to be obviously consolidating debt, doing things like that to save yourself money out of your pocket every month. Again, I'm no different than anyone else. The amount of money I have coming out of my pocket every month is very, very important to me. And so if I can consolidate some debt by using equity that I built in my home, then to save myself money, great. And then if I can actually turn and figure out a way to pay that debt and that home off sooner, you just by using the money I saved, even better, guys. It just doesn't get much better than that. Second, and one of the great benefits is putting more value into your home. So you're going to pull out some of this cash or some of the equity from the home. And if you can add something, if you can update stuff, if you can create more value in your home, it's just going to help increase your equity. Two really good ways and really good benefits of the VA cash out loan. Again, it's Jeff Newton with National VA Loans. We are powered by Stride Bank. To contact us here at National VA Loans, I'm going to put the number right down below. It is nationalvaloans.com is our website. Great website, lots of information. You can find all this kind of stuff on there. And of course, best way to do it is give us a call, 855-956-4040. We have some really great VA specialists here. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have, walk through different scenarios on how you can utilize the equity you have in your house to benefit you the most, and go through, really what your goals are. That's one of the biggest things that we like to do is, what are you exactly trying to do? Are you trying to pay off your debt? Are you trying to save money on a monthly basis? Are you trying to increase the value of your property? And then are you trying to pay off your home sooner rather than later. Of course, you're already here on YouTube. Like I said, go ahead and click the subscribe. I never know where Jason puts this thing, but you click the subscribe button. Make sure you can stay current or up to date with all the current information that comes out on VA home loans. You can see my smiling mug. Every once in a while, I get on here and we make sure we do a lot of videos so we can update you on all the different options available to the veterans and active duty service members we have out there. And if you are like me and you just like to get stuff done, check out nationalapplynow.com. Download our simple, secure, easy Stride home mortgage app right to either your mobile, your tablet, your laptop, however you want to do it. It is secure. You'll be able to punch in just your information. It takes 2, 3, 4 minutes at most. And then that information will come directly to us through our secure servers. And we'll be able to give you a call. One of our VA specialists will call you, maybe me, give you a call to go over all the different options you have available to you, utilizing the VA benefits or the VA cash out refinance loan. Guys, until next time, thank you so much for your service. Thank you for all you've done for our country. Take care of yourselves and God bless.